What's up, guys? Jalen with Focus Detail here. Today, we got this 2003 Lincoln Town car. This luxury cruiser definitely seen better days, but we're gonna bring it back to life. First, I'm gonna start with the wheels. Now we're going to do a pre-wash and a rinse. This will help lift up all the loose dirt and dust for a much safer contact wash. Next, we'll be using the foam cannon to cover the car with foam to get all the grime that's left over. This is easily one of the most satisfying parts to do. Here, I'm using a small detail brush to get all those small spots around the emblems, grills, and trim. After the wash, we give the whole car a thorough rinse to get rid of all the soap and dirt. Next, onto drying, we'll be using a soft towel and a blower to get water out of all crevices. Moving inside, the owner really loved these Lincoln cars, but life got busy and ended up sitting for roughly 8 years. With that, we're starting with the steam cleaner on the doors to break down all the built up dirt and bring the interior back to life. Now for a vacuum and brush out to pull out all the debris that collected over the years. Now to dress the tires back to a matte black finish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and leave a like as that supports more videos like this in the future. Here with Focus Detail, until the next one.